A lot of those questions in sports are being asked right now of where my food is coming from. Is this a good decision for me? Is it safe for me? What are these ingredients?
I do love the Dairy Alliance. It's bringing in dietitians because we are all lifelong learners in our field. I had never been on a dairy farm. All those things that I learned today, I can now go back to my athletes and say, well, actually, that's not true, because I've seen it firsthand, right? Like, I've seen the cows, I've seen the feed, I've gotten to speak to this scientist about all these aspects, or even just like the testing of the milk.
Drinking milk is really good for them right after a workout, and just a high protein feed source, just like a cow needs a high protein feed source when she's performing heavily.
Cow's milk is very high in leucine and essential amino acids. It's very critical as the recovery period after exercise. It's so important to make sure you get the muscle growth.
I've learned the better that you fuel a cow, the better its output. The better you fuel a student athlete could impact their performance.
And then even to go as far as to improve our communication skills with the workshop today.
How to communicate a message more clearly and effectively, especially with this generation when their attention span is 30 seconds or less. How am I going to deliver that message in the most effective way? I have the tools to tell them, here is the process, and this is how many hands are touching your final product to ensure its safety.
I thought that that was just a unique and invaluable experience. I'm very honored, and I think it's a great opportunity that the Dairy Alliance has created here.
It was very impactful.
This is what sports is all about. This is what athletics is all about. We want to be a part of something.